Hello there, everybody. This is Lee Gaus coming from the offices of International Futures Group and EFG Group here in Chicago. We're back on the audio-video circuit as we're trying to feel our way around the social media of today. And we're going to talk a little bit, to promote a little bit about our webinar series that we're doing. And I want to let you know that tomorrow I'll be doing another one of my webinars. We're going to be addressing some interesting commodities in my view. One of them, we're going to talk about the cattle market, which a couple weeks ago did go into an uptrend and needs a close at or below 129.97 on Friday to turn bearish. So this is all according to my LAWG 647 numberology model. And I just want to let you know where these opinions are coming from. And again, these are my opinions. The crude oil market, we're going to talk about that. We know that crude is in a definite aggressive downtrend. It needs a 42.54 close on Friday to have the model turn bullish. But what might we expect in short-term type of trading? We are going to talk about the metals also. Silver, gold, copper all went into an uptrend last week, and we're going to be looking at that as to what we might do or might be able to do according to the model. Coffee market, that's my favorite, the coffee market. We'll talk a little about it. Has the coffee market finally signaled given us a signal that we're going to be going into the next down leg, or are we just continuing to put in a sideways movement? And we're going to talk about the US dollar index, which turned bearish last Friday. How legitimate is that? You know, do we have a legitimate downtrend in the US dollar, or is this just kind of a short-term reaction to the announcement made by the president of the New York Fed? We're going to talk about that a little bit, but just for your information, it is in according to the model, is in a downtrend, and we need a close at 99.93 or higher on Friday to reverse that trend. Now, as also a piece of information, I want to let you know that my partner Steve Erdman will be doing a webinar today. He's going to be doing the D&D, the double D, dollar and the dollar and the Dow. So if you're interested in the opinions on the dollar index and the Dow, you're going to want to listen to Steve today. He does some really, really fine work, and it'll be worth your time, in my opinion. Now, if you want to watch our webinars and look at past webinars, you can see them at www.ifgfutures.com. And once you get to our website, click on IFG News, and that's where you'll find all the webinars that we have done today. Again, keep in mind that trading futures, options on futures, and spreads is a risky business. There's no if, ands, or buts. It isn't kind of risky. It isn't maybe risky. It's risky, and you need to know the risk that you're assuming if you engage in trading futures, options on futures, or spreads of futures. Having said that, I hope you tune in to listen to Steve today and tune in to see me tomorrow. Again, you can get those webinars at www.ifgfutures.com and click on IFG News. Hey, this has been Lee Gaus coming at you from the offices of EFG and IFG here in Chicago.